Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a Hawaiian Airlines, or a Gemini Jets Hawaiian Airlines Collection video. This entire collection is only Gemini Jets. I do have an NG one on the way, but unfortunately it was not here when I was recording this video. Anyway, there are 6 planes in this video, so I have 6 Hawaiian aircrafts. 2 717s, 2 A320neos, and 2 A330s, about to be 3. So if you do like aviation content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on, because it really supports my channel. Also, there's a giveaway in the future. As a quick reminder, all uploads are on Tuesday and Friday at 3:30 Mountain Daylight Time. So if you guys mark that in your reminders, your calendars, whatever, just so you guys know when to expect a video. And if there isn't one, then you should just know I'm doing something and that was not my #1 priority. So like family matters or vacation or something. But anyway, let's dive straight into this video, starting off with the 2 717s. This will be one of the last collection videos I do for a while, because I have 8 models on the way. Actually, I think 9. I've lost track, to be honest. So there will be a lot of unboxings and new airports coming, Honolulu. And let's dive straight into it, starting off with these 717s. Okay, so the first one we have here is a Hawaiian Boeing 717. I believe this is like the 2017 release. All I know is this was from a while ago, and I bought most of these airplanes for my Honolulu airport, which was coming soon, so you guys don't want to miss that. So yeah, here we have the Hawaiian Boeing 717. This aircraft is in the old livery. This is a very beautiful model, and I highly recommend it if you have any of the island hopper airlines. Hopefully, what I'm praying is they don't retire these aircrafts. Only hint I guess we have is that they made the Hawaiian 717 in the new livery, which is right behind you. They wouldn't have put it in the new livery if they were retiring them in less than a year, because, you know, United didn't do that with whatever planes they're retiring. But anyway, my hope is that Southwest doesn't take over the island hopper flights, because as most of you maybe know, Southwest just started island hopper flights a few months ago. So I'm really praying that they don't take it over, because I'd be so sad to see Hawaiian go, to be honest. Alright, the next aircraft we have is a Hawaiian Boeing 717. I got this aircraft for $19. Very good deal from a great friend, and he actually asked me for a shout out, and I'm pretty sure I forgot to give him one. But anyway, Aviation in Vegas, shout out to him, go search him up. It's capital A, capital I, capital V, so Aviation in Vegas. He gave me this model because he didn't need it for his Las Vegas airport, for a really good deal, actually. I really like the new livery, like the lei going across the wing right here. That's just beautiful, to be honest. Let me see if I got there's a little pointer thing. Like the lei going down the wing and the little lei in the very back right here. Hawaiian just has one of the most beautiful liveries. They've been around for a very long time. I think it's been about 50 years, I think. But anyway, they also have their Hawaiian 787 orders, so I'm very excited for that. And no, it won't be replacing their A330s, because most of them are like 2 or 3 years old. So here we have a Hawaiian Airbus A321neo. This aircraft is in the new livery. A little history for this one. This exact aircraft was the first or second Hawaiian aircraft I ever purchased. Third, sorry. I bought it for LAX because I heard somewhere on the news that they would start flights there. And I was just genuinely pumped because it's a beautiful aircraft. I mean, the engine size is a bit big, but I'm not in this video to hate on Gemini Jets. This second model back here, the next aircraft we'll go over has a lot of history on this channel, so don't click off the video quite yet. But here we have a Hawaiian Airbus A321neo. This aircraft is also in the new livery. I purchased this about 3 or 4 weeks ago, knowing that I had started Honolulu and ended Kahului, because Kahului probably only got 1 or 2 a day. Honolulu gets like 10 or 20 a day. I don't even know how many they have in their fleet. I think like 25 or something. But anyway, Hawaiian has the most beautiful aircraft livery. I mean, the amount of detail from the lay right here and then also on the back here, so that and that is just absolutely stunning. And if you can get your hands on this, I definitely recommend it. They fly their A321s to San Diego, Los Angeles, Oakland. There's a lot, all the California airports. They fly the that to the A321neo. But moving on to the A330s, I did get a new tripod recently, and I hope it's not as squeaky as the last one. So, yeah, there it is. Yeah, I'm gonna have to grease it, whatever. Okay, so this particular model is basically how my channel started. So back in 2015, when I was about 9 years old, I don't know what year that was. I hate math, actually, but I have an A in it, so that's nice. But I still don't like it. This is the Hawaiian Airbus A330. This aircraft is in the old livery, and I think it's a 2013 release. I could be wrong. But this was the one of the first ever models I've ever purchased. So I got this one and the UPS MD-11F and like one other one. Christmas Day of like 2009 or something, or 2010. No, that wouldn't be right. 2015, that's what I meant to say. When I was like 9 years old, because I just genuinely fell in love with aviation. I was that one kid that if you didn't give me the window seat, I'd be crying the entire flight, because I don't know. It's weird how aviation works. Like sometimes you don't fall in love with it. Sometimes it's just like in your blood and you already liked it ever since you were like 2 years old. And then once I was about 12 or 13, I started my YouTube channel. No. When I was 11, I started my YouTube channel. Then I really started getting into it and making airport updates. I used to do chores to convince my dad to buy boards for my airport. Kind of weird, but yeah. So this model has a ton of history on this channel, and without this model and the UPS, I wouldn't even be in this community right now. And it is a blessing to be in this community, but there are also some toxic things about it. Like, some people are just so hateful sometimes, unfortunately. A few days ago, I had someone try to impersonate me, which was nice. I mean, we figured it out and everything, but still. This is my newest collection, or this is the newest aircraft to my collection. The Hawaiian Airbus A330 in the new livery. Very, very gorgeous. As you can see, it has the lay going across the majority of the plane. About half of it, or a quarter of it. And you have a ton of detail here on the back. Right here, you have a bunch of purple flowers going up. Hawaiian has the most beautiful livery, I'm sorry, but they're one of this one and Iceland Air and a few Southwest liveries, they really know what they're doing. Also, Elderwise, however you want to pronounce it. So yeah, this is the newest one. I have ordered the exact one, pretty much like this, but in G models. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I have 6 aircrafts in total in the Hawaiian Airlines collection. And if you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like on the video and hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. It really helps support my channel. But anyway,
a few moments later.
So yeah, hope you did enjoy it. 6 aircrafts, there is one on the way. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.